Hi, this is Laura with CoachMeLaura.com and at your service mobile notary. I hear frequently, I just need some confidence. I have my tools, I have my commission, I've got my other credentials to do NSA work, I've even signed up with the signing companies, but I'm afraid to accept that first job. I might make a mistake. The client might not like me. I might not know what to do with the document. I might freeze. I want you to know that there's only so much preparation that you can really do before you just have to step out and do the work. Confidence comes after the courage to take the action and get in the game. You need to get off the sidelines. So here's some things you can do to get your first assignment. Get that going. First, stop doing the things that rob you of your confidence. Reading those notary forms that talk about mistakes and bad assignments and terrible clients, it's enough to deter anybody. Do things that boost your confidence. So try a mock signing with a fellow NSA so you can practice what you've learned. It's going to take you at least 3 times or more to get it to roll off the tongue, to feel comfortable with that presentation before it starts to feel natural. If you don't have anybody to do that with, then look for a coach who's willing to do that with you. Take one assignment, complete it. And before you take another one, evaluate what happened. What would you change for next time? What went well? And what could you practice? Remember that their emergency, it's not your emergency. Last minute appointments do not make good first appointments. Let me tell you about mine. My first assignment was a disaster. I accepted a last minute appointment, had to get there right away. I had the wrong kind of printer. It took me over an hour just to print all the documents. I got there, I tripped on the threshold, dropped my documents on the floor. Now they're all out of order. I got to pick them back up. I'm not quite sure what the heck I'm doing. Thank goodness my signers were very benevolent and very kind to me. In any case, I got through it 2 hours later. My hands were shaking the whole time, just sliding the documents over to them. You know what? It was very uncomfortable. And by the time I was done, I was thinking, maybe this isn't for me. Even though I'd spent a lot of money to get myself that far, I thought, maybe I shouldn't do this anymore. But if I had let that disaster dictate my future as an NSA, I would not have completed thousands of loan signings that I have completed successfully. I would not have started teaching mandated training in the state of California for the NNA. I would not have started speaking at the national conferences. I would not have had the opportunity to meet and get to know the fantastic notary colleagues that I have over the last 16 years that I've been doing this. And you know what? I now have the opportunity to pay it forward by providing my experience, my knowledge, and my confidence. Even if you make some mistakes, confidence will come from the failures. Consider it feedback to lead you to success. My confidence grew with every assignment I completed. I got better, I got faster. So jump in. The water's fine. And there are many in the notary world who are willing to help you. Let me offer a few. Every week, there is a free coaching call on Zoom. It is called TNT, like dynamite, every Tuesday at 12 p.m. Pacific Coast Time. It is led by my colleagues Bill Soroka, Carol Ray, and myself. And you can find it by going to notarycoach.com/TNT. Show up, push the button, it'll take you right to the call. And if it's not Tuesday at 12, you can look at the archive. We have lots of recorded previous sessions. I offer a free 10 key steps to managing a loan signing. It's available on my website. Just go there, coachmelora.com/resources. And at the bottom of the page, you'll find the download. Now, if you want a coach to walk you through a loan signing from the acceptance call to the presentation of documents, wrapping it up, and then how to get paid, I do offer 2-hour one-on-one live Zoom call training. Again, you'll find that on my website at coachmelora.com/products. There are other resources out there that can also help you get past that first assignment, and I'm happy to share them with you. Just give me a call, reach out to me through quick calls on my website and schedule a free quick call, and I'm happy to talk about it with you. Until the next time, stay safe.